Hi, welcome back to A&W Entertainment. This is Manushka, nickname. This is like less scripted. Today what style are you gonna do in your hair, Manushka?
I don't have one. Whatever you think looks best.
So rough. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and parting her hair. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Oh, she told me if you. Oh, I see what you're. No, but she's trying to say it's gonna be a lot of clips. It's gonna be a lot of clips that you have to upload.
You can do for like 20 minutes, but then for clips, you have to upload to the
Computer. That's a lot. But YouTube videos are only like 10-15 minutes.
Yeah, they edit it to be shorter, or they fast forward it. When you fast forward it, it's less time.
Well, right now I'm just braiding the front of her hair right now, and then we're talking about YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.
He wants to see you.
We're making so much noise.
Oh my god.
Comment down below and let me know how am I doing. And I am not a professional. Continue watching. Now I'm going to the side of Nisi Poo's hair. Keep watching.
And you know how when we travel, I'm gonna be vlogging.
Oh,
Here's
you would have
some,
vlogged if you went to in Palm Bay. You probably would have vlogged.
Yeah.
This is kind of routine for me and Manushka. We braid and we talk. You know, the normal teenager stuff.
Anyways, Manushka. Girl, Grandma been coming. Grandma said she got a pedi and a mani here.
Oh yes.
I'm like, Manushka, she's talking about, oh, you don't have the thing to bring the toe down. Like, it's a little sword thing that they use. Like, you gotta.
Grandma thought I was like a professional, but
Yeah.
I
It's
did
better than
decent.
nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah. The mayor of Texas ran out to go get a manicure to remove her nails.
All right, I'm done with this side of her hair and I'm gonna go to the back soon. Keep watching.
Hi. Welcome. This is what we did so far. We have the side. Now, I am not a professional braider. I just want to let you guys know I'm not a professional braider, but I do my thing. Let me show you the back. Jaden, go do your homework. Jaden, go do your homework. This is the back part. And then now we're gonna do this part. This. Okay, and then now all of this.
Sometimes I usually come up with designs, but I'm just gonna braid her hair all the way down, and she could also grease her scalp and keep it moisturized. So this is kind of a protective style for her. So here I was just trying to show you guys, I'm trying to fix the camera and trying to show you guys how I actually braid, but I'm not sure if like my arm is in the way. But basically I take one hand, go underneath, and take the other hand. So comment down below if you guys want me to do another video with my niecey Pooh and braiding her hair. Yeah, my nephew has his whole thing playing in the background, but it is a kind of a way that I braid that you could see on here. It's going by slow. All right, now I'm gonna speed up the process so you guys can see the finished product. So this is the hair conditioning that she used, Blue Magic. You can get that beauty salon store. And also I'm gonna put some Eco Style gel in her hair as well. She has the best baby hairs ever. I get them laid like every time I do her hair. You see how, oh my God, look at it. She has like the best baby hair ever when it comes to putting that in her hair. All right, so now these are some beads that I'm gonna be putting in her hair. Putting up the lighting a little bit so you guys can see. I have to be extra like my husband says. So I'm basically putting them around her hair and spreading it out. There's gold ones and there's silver one as well to make some type of design in her hair. Go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe to the channel.
Oh yeah. That's all with braiding with me. I'm probably gonna add more beads and stuff like that, but this is how I'm not a professional braider, but you know, I'm probably gonna add more beads in the back. You can do whatever you want. I'm probably gonna add more beads like right here. You can do whatever style you want. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next